Hello YouTube! Today is New Year's Eve and I've got something special that arrived in the mail a short while ago. Let's check it out what this is. By the way, YouTube video is going to be coming out tonight. This is a sort of short simple video to say a bit of a thank you to everyone, for what an amazing, community and support you all have been. And let's see, what do we have in here? It's an interesting pizza box. This is really cool. Well, it's definitely not pizza, although it is time for it. And it's with a nice little ribbon. Right, let's open this. And what's in the box? Ta-da! This is a copy of the brand new book, Asas Rakaman and Produksi Music by my good friend Hairul Hasnan. I'm going to be giving away a copy of this book, okay? Right, plus a 3-month VIP Patreon subscription. So check out, watch the video that's going to be coming out right tonight, 9 p.m. on this channel. Stay safe, take care folks, peace, love and music.